Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up?
I'm Sam.
Isaac.
This is Drop Motorsports.
This is Barney.
What's up, guys? This is a throwback video to the middle of winter. Not. It's like April 15th or something like that, and it's snowy as hell. Got a storm. We got a bunch of stuff in the back of the truck. We're on our way to the dump to clean up the shop a little bit.
Alright, so I think I have the motor put together as best I can right now. I still gotta put spark plugs in it. I need to get a thermostat, an oil pump, or an oil filter. Still in the process of like finding all my bolts still. I don't know where any of my exhaust bolts are, but can't be that hard to get those or find them. They're around here somewhere. But I think I have everything else, so right now I'm setting up the engine stand. I'm going to take it off setting up the cherry picker, going to take it off the engine stand and then try to throw the flywheel on and clutch. See how all that goes. You guys remember from Sam's Corolla video, I got this little stopper for the flywheel. I'm just going to torque them down 53 foot-pounds and then slap the clutch on. So I got the clutch all torqued down to 11 foot-pounds, 11.8 foot-pounds is like 142 inch-pounds, which is 11 something. But yeah, it's all on there. Clutch alignment tool goes in and comes out real good. I think I might start slapping her in the car now. Car's up in the air. Think we're ready to throw her in. So I don't know if any of you have ever put a Subaru motor in or taken it out. It's a pain in the ass. I quit filming a while ago because I was just struggling with it. It was pissing me off. And then I just randomly started like yanking on the cherry picker right here, holding in front of the car, and magically, oh, almost fell. It's coming together. I don't know how well you can see that, but they're coming together. It's getting married. So I'll probably start filming again since it's somewhat together. And I'm not just sitting there struggling because I don't want to film that. It's boring. Now I'm going to go into the car and try to get the 2 engine mount bolts in. I got 2 transmission bolts on, or nuts on already. And now I'm just going to do the engine mount. It's probably going to be really hard to do by myself, but I'm going to try. Alright, so I had to put the bottom 2 nuts on for the transmission to get it back far enough to slip into the holes. Well, that was way easier than expected. I literally just lowered the jack and it slipped right into the slot, so yay, something's going right for once. I don't have those nuts on yet, but it doesn't really need to be on. I'm pretty sure it's in the car and I don't need the cherry picker anymore. Alright, so I didn't film too much of it. Got the Subaru over here. Everything's back in it, I think. Pretty sure. Got all the fluids in it. We're about to fire it up for the first time in a couple months here. Sam?
Oh God. Moment of truth. Come on, Bessie. You got these. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Pissing, dude.
Where?
I don't know.
There is water.
This thing was going a little ham right away, so could be that. Alright, started up before, had a little oil pressure issue. We put some more oil in it. Just gotta get up there. Sounds pretty good.
This is gonna be the end of it. Alright, so it runs. Mind you, I got this motor from a junkyard for $300, advertised as ticky. Okay? I did change the heads on it. I was hoping the tickiness was from the heads, unless these heads are ticky too, but knock sensor, check engine light again. And it's knocking a little bit. I'm not gonna take it out and get another one. I'm just gonna send it because it was $300. There's nothing else I can do but send it. I'm gonna drive her somewhat decent. If you guys know me, like, it's hard for me to do. But
Not gonna happen. But
I'm hoping to get at least like 1,000 miles out of it just because, but that's being pretty
hoping for
optimistic.
1,000 low, man. You gotta get more than that.
I hope it lasts a long time, but I doubt it.
I've had cars that have knocked forever.
That was a Honda.
For like a year.
That was a Honda. This
And
is a
Chevy.
Subaru. Okay. Oh, the fan's turned on.
Nice.
Means we're getting her up to temp. We might go rip her. Probably blow up first run though. I'm about to go take the Subaru for its maiden voyage. Probably film it, but it's probably gonna blow up on the way. But let's see what happens. It's kind of knocking already at idle. I'm gonna go easy on it, but I don't really have faith in it. so for some reason my brand new thermostat isn't opening up. So that's shot. Probably go buy a new one tomorrow. Alright, so the thermostat was stuck shut, so I drilled a couple holes in it. And now it seems like the heat's still not going, but it seems like more like the heater core's kind of clogged. Because one hose is hot, but the other one isn't. Or I got them hooked up backwards, but I can't find out the right way. So I'm gonna go drive it again and see if it's gonna overheat or blow up. Alright, so the Subaru runs. Next week we're going to be showing you what's going on with our Hondas.
Yep.
Some good news and some bad news, and then some more bad news, and then probably no good news.
A lot of headaches.
A lot of headaches, like always. And we got some new stickers. So if you guys are interested in some stickers, let us know down in the description. If you like what you saw this week, hit that like button. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Any feedback is good feedback. See you guys next week.
See you next week.